In almost every part of life, technology has made things faster, easier, and more connected. So why does getting dental care still feel stuck in the past? For many people, dental care isn't just about treatment. It's about finding time, getting answers quickly, overcoming anxiety, and knowing what to do next. Today, that experience is beginning to change. Virtual consultations are making it easier for patients to connect with dental professionals from almost anywhere, bringing guidance and support closer than ever before. At the same time, tools like MouthCAM allow patients to see areas that are difficult to view with a mirror and share those images remotely, creating new opportunities for communication and awareness. Modern dentistry is also expanding beyond the clinic. Patients now have access to products and technologies designed to support oral health throughout everyday life, whether at home, at work, or while traveling. Looking ahead, the future of dentistry isn't about replacing dental professionals. It's about helping patients stay connected, informed, and proactive about their oral health through technology, virtual care, and smarter tools. As innovation continues to evolve, dental care is becoming more accessible, more connected, and more patient-centered than ever before.